Hello friends and followers. Well, here's the Drake TR7 with the AUX board installed. So I did get the AUX board in here all programmed with 8 channels and it turned out pretty well. So when you're in normal mode, you're not using the AUX board and you can just use radio as you always have, changing the bands, using up and down keys and all that stuff. Just like life in the park. But with the AUX board, you're more or less channelized. So this board will guide you onto what band switch to select according to the frequency you've programmed in here. So in one case, I put in 5 megahertz for the 5 megahertz band. Then I go to 10. Then I go to 18. And it's kind of being pissy here because it's the wrong band. 18, then I go to 24, then I go to 27, and then the broadcast bands. So to use this, of course, you have to follow it with the band switch. So if we start off here at 5 megahertz, you can see that light's on, so you turn this band switch until the light goes off. Right about there, then it's happy. So that's where I want to be for transmitting on the 5 channels on the 60 meter band. And I might get WWV here, I doubt it, but let's try it. I doubt it this time of day. No. Anyway, that's fine. The next thing I put in here was 10 megahertz. So you go here to channel 2. I put in 10. It says, yeah, I'm trying, but I need the band to be turned. So you turn the band up. Light goes out. Bam, you're there. Now you can transmit and receive on this band. And sure enough, there's WWV right there. So you can transmit here if you want. The next channel I put in was, what is this, 17 meters, 18 megahertz. So it's kind of seeking because it's not set right. This is saying set the band, so you turn it up. Light goes out, it locks, you're all set. Pretty nifty, huh? So now I can transmit here if I want. The next band is going to be, what is it, 12 meters? So hike it up one more. That's 12 meters. It's saying crank the band. Light goes out. We're on 12 meters. Transmit and all that. So I'm pretty happy with this. And of course I can crank it up to WWV maybe. Let's see. No, I can't. I only go to 24.5 and I'm done. So that's all. But that covers, I might have screwed this up. I think I did. I think this thing starts at 24.5 and goes to 25. So this one I just screwed up. I didn't realize the band plan. Well, that's no fun. I guess I can fix that. Alright, screw up. Let's go next one. I put in CV in here. So there's some CV channels. Just listen to all that racket. And then I put broadcast in here too. So it can go like this. And it's seeking, it says go down. The light goes out. All the way down. There. This is broadcast band. AM.
Well, maybe you're in a position where...
This is kind of fun for nighttime DX.
Open at 5 p.m. Kickoff is at...
So I think this goes down to 1,000.
Indian. I wash my house and clean my car.
All right, and then down one more. This will start at 500 megahertz or .5, lower part of broadcast. A little bit here. And I think this thing suppresses broadcast, so you have to really use a different antenna terminal. Anyway, it does work. Up to 1,000. And then, of course, I put in the long wave band into the last one here, so I figure it won't be used ever. This will go down to 0, just about. And you need to probably mount a special antenna on here for this. But that's what's going on. Let's see if it goes to 0. Maybe. Huh. I doubt it will. Look at that. Kind of cool. It's saying, hey man, what are you doing to me here? Alright, pretty cool. Can go back to 17 meters instantly by going back to 1 here. There we go. Oh, that's 5, sorry. Let's see, 10 and 17's right there. There it is. Nobody on. So I gotta fix 12 meters. I screwed that up, didn't I? So I guess the radio comes back apart and take out the display board and fix that frequency. Stupidity on my part. You gotta pay attention. Mistakes cost money. Mistakes cost money. The first time I did this, I had the pins all screwed up. I've had to pull this apart once and redo all its modules. And now I find I simply just didn't understand the 12 meter band. So I gotta put that frequency back to where it should go. So stupidity and mistakes cost a lot of money and time. You just don't want to do them. All right, be careful and plan before you do this stuff. You'll save a lot of time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Oh yeah, and to go back to normal, go back there, and the radio now is back to where it works, where most people have it without the AUX module. And with the AUX module, you can also put crystals in it too, and then use, I think, these fix buttons here to use the crystals. It's really, really well done. It's really well done. Nothing on here at all. 20 meters. A little bit of Morse code going on. Kind of dead. I mean, I can hear things here, but they're weak. Split my antenna too. It's kind of weak. That guy's got fidelity.
It's so big deal. It looks like, I don't know.
Let's take it over to his house and play with it side by side. But yeah, he found an SB200 down there, and he's like, "Hey, I wonder if it'll work." I said, "Dog."
Anyway, that's my demo. Have a nice day.